So us here at Ralph Helm Incorporated live by the motto that we would have nothing in our store that we wouldn't have in our own garage. And making a partnership with Orec has been a great partnership. So what got me interested in Orec first was the brush rover. What an awesome machine. Comes in two different applications. You have a 2-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive. Abandoned lots, overgrowth lots. It's really made for a wide array of applications. So another product that Orec has is their Garden Quake. Rear tine garden tiller. If I typically went to a box store or got a different tiller, they're not going to really eat into that fresh ground. The Garden Quake takes all that work away. I had come across Orec on social media and came across the Snow Rhino, a stand-on snow product for our commercial customers as well as our municipal customers on things like their walking paths. They were able to find out that they were doing one pass versus having to do 2 or 3 passes with a walk-behind snowblower or a different product. What's nice about the Cyclone is it's a flail mulching mower. It's not only going to knock it down, but it's going to mulch it up fine. It does a great job. Orec has a product called the Trailblazer Transporter. And what's really impressive is the fact that it has a 650-pound payload. If you can fit it in there, it's going to take it. The Snow Bull, being a walk-behind snow pusher, is more used for where you don't want to necessarily throw snow, but you want to push snow to a certain area where maybe you have a pickup truck that's going to take it and push it into the pile. A product like Orec, knowing that they're going to stand behind our dealership as much as we stand behind our customers, is just a great partnership and relationship that I hope goes forever.